Are you looking for the best beach carts and wagon? In this video we will look at some of the best beach carts and wagon on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Maxsport's Collapsible Folding Outdoor Utility Wagon. Weston also likes this more affordable Maxsport's wagon, which has proved popular with hundreds of strategist readers over the years as well. Unlike our best overall pick above, this wagon has smaller wheels that are evenly weighted rather than triangulated. Weston says it folds completely flat and can carry a lot of weight. While combing the more than 5,000 reviews for this beach wagon, we noticed the two consistent points of praise are its durability and convenience. Other things to like, according to those reviewers, include an easy-to-steer handle, the wagon's foldable construction, and its generous size. About this item: 600 denier polyester. Imported. Large capacity, sets up in seconds, no assembly required. Outside dimensions approximate 35" by 20" by 23" inside dimensions approximate 32.5 inches by 17.5 inches by 10.5 inches. Convenient compact storage wagon folds to only 8" thick. Folded size approximate 29.5 inches by 20 inches by 8 inches and includes a convenient carry case. Weighs 24.5 pounds. Lighten the load. The heavy-duty frame allows loads up to 150 pounds, and the durable 600D fabric can be easily cleaned. UV and mildew resistant. Functional features include an adjustable handle for effortless transport and 2 mesh cup holders to keep your beverages secure. Easy transport, perfect for hauling gear to outdoor sporting events, concerts, trips to the park, and great for use around the house. Please note that it is not made to transport children. At number 2. Maxsport's Collapsible Folding Outdoor Beach Wagon with Side Table. Strategist Senior Editor Kayleen Schaefer has spent several seasons honing her on-the-sand setup, which includes a beloved Shabumi beach shade. To cart all of their gear to the perfect spot each time, her boyfriend, Julian Ducastel, invested in this Maxsport's wagon that features a built-in side table with 2 drink holders and space for food. While they both think the wagon is great, Ducastel notes that the big wheels make this wagon more difficult to store in a car. If you think you would have similar issues, the Maxsport's wagon above has a much smaller set. Easily haul your gear with the Maxsport's Folding Utility Wagon. It opens in seconds. The lightweight durable design has a 150 pounds capacity and is a must-have to transport heavy bulky loads. Great for trips to the park, camping, outdoor sporting events, gardening, and much more. Rear table comes with 2 uniquely designed cup/phone holders for your favorite drink and snacks, and folds down when not in use. The accordion-style floor makes setup and breakdown a breeze. It folds easily into its own carry bag for compact storage. Maxsport's is a trusted brand since 1993. At number 3. Maxsport's Beach Day Lounger. As readers of this site know, we're always looking for ingeniously designed products, especially ones made so thoughtfully they can be used in multiple ways. So as we trolled the internet researching beach wagons, it shouldn't be too surprising to hear that this one, which becomes an actual beach chair, stopped us in our tracks. While some wagons on this list can be converted to become more like chairs, this one is designed to transform into the exact style of lounger you would otherwise tote with you. Maxsport's says this model, when locked into its wagon shape, easily rolls over grass, pavement, or sand thanks to its rugged wheels, which can hold up to 100 pounds. Once you've found your spot, the cart can be folded out into a lounger with a built-in pillow headrest for added comfort and can support even more weight. As a chair, it holds up to 225 pounds. Maxsport's 2-in-1 Beach Day Folding Lounge Chair plus Cargo Cart is perfect for trips to the beach. The cart with all-terrain wheels makes it easier across the sand and transport the umbrella, cooler, towels, and any other items from your car to the beach. When it is converted to lounger chair, the design of 4-position adjustable back can let you have your optimal position to enjoy the sun and the beach. It is the best solution for a day of fun in the beach. At number 4. Radio Flyer Trav-ler Stroll and Wagon. Radio Flyer's sturdy rubber-wheeled wagons are designed to carry the most precious cargo of all, your toddlers. They have received the stamp of approval from no less than 3 strategist moms: editor Alexis Swerdloff, contributing editor Jessica Sylvester, and writer Lauren Rowe, all of whom personally use them with their own kiddos. Taking up not much more space than a regular stroller, these feature safety harnesses, cup holders, a shade canopy, and brakes. There's a removable rear storage bag for stashing snacks and other beach day bits. Radio Flyer's Trav-ler Stroll and Wagon makes traveling a breeze for on-the-go families. The convenient push or pull design features 2 modes: our never-fall wagon pull handle in the front and an adjustable push bar on the back. The easy one-hand fold allows this wagon to be stored anywhere, and the folding lock on the frame ensures it stays folded when not in use. The included travel cover protects the wagon while folded and features a large zippered storage pouch that holds the removable accessories and other travel necessities. A rear brake and 2 5-point safety harnesses keep little ones as young as 12 months safe and comfortable. Thoughtfully designed parent features like cup holders, a removable rear storage bag, and a peekaboo window on the UV protection canopy make this the ideal vehicle for your whole family. The side also zips down for stationary bench seating. The durable rubber wheels with bearings provide a smooth ride on almost any terrain. It also features DuraClean 2.0, our highest quality fabric, which is durable, easily cleaned and made to last. Maximum weight capacity 120 pounds. For 1+ years. For additional questions, support, or concerns, please contact our customer service team at https://www.trav-ler.com/customer-service or 1-800-621-7613. At number 5. Radio Flyer The Beast Easy Fold Wagon. The Beast Wagon is designed as a full-sized, heavy-duty folding utility wagon ready to haul up to 300 pounds of kids or cargo. Equipped with off-road puncture-proof tires, premium 600D fabric and our deepest folding wagon frame, the Beast can carry it all. Anywhere you need to go, sports or camping equipment can evenly be stored across the top rails, while the rear storage pouch offers additional cargo hauling. The easy one-hand fold allows the wagon to be taken or stored anywhere. This wagon passes the toy safety standard and has padded seats for comfort. The Beast also features 2 front cup holders and a rubber comfort grip on the never-fall pull handle, which stays upright when not in use. For ages 1½ years. Maximum weight capacity 300 pounds. For additional questions, support, or concerns, please contact our customer service team at https://www.trav-ler.com/customer-service or 1-800-621-7613. At number 6. GCI Outdoor Freeform Zero Gravity Chair. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line, luxurious chair to relax in outdoors, Carlson says this GCI chair is the ultimate in backyard comfort. While zero-gravity chairs that hold your entire body off the ground are nothing new, he says that GCI's is the only one that allows you to lock the backrest in place while your feet are still raised. It's excellent for conversation around a fire, does a good job of relieving pressure points, and is great to nap in, too, he says. Though he cautions this would be better for someone who doesn't intend to move it around a lot, because the 19-pound chair is not as portable as other chairs. Experience a new kind of outdoor luxury with the Freeform Zero Gravity Lounger. The first of its kind, the Freeform Zero Gravity Lounger can switch seamlessly back and forth between 2 modes, Freeform mode and Zero Gravity mode. Freeform mode allows you sit upright and smoothly raise your legs with the easy-to-use handle utilizing the Freeform leg rest technology. Zero Gravity mode allows your entire body to recline into a weightless position. Additional features of the Freeform Zero Gravity Lounger include an adjustable headrest, position locks to keep you reclined as much or as little as you'd like, and a combination beverage and phone holder.